Welcome to HDN Digital Network. The Kids Educational System held its annual prize distribution ceremony on Tuesday in the school premises.
Of playgroup are ready to light up the stage with their performance on the delightful poem, Hop Little Bunnies. Let's give them a big round of applause as they hop their way into our hearts.
Hi, are you ready? Let's dance! See the little bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still, are they ill? Wake up soon. Wake up, bunnies! Hop little bunnies, hop hop hop. 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 See the little bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still, are they ill? Wake up soon. Wake up, bunnies! March little bunnies, march, march, march. 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 See the little bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still, are they ill? Wake up soon. Wake up, bunnies! Skip little bunny, skip, skip, skip. 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 See the little bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still, are they ill? Wake up soon. Wake up, bunnies! Hop little bunnies, hop